Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Best online learning experience only at Stella Online Courses. Call us now.
Was stuck in Birmingham, United Kingdom for almost 3 months. I went to Birmingham on the 8th of March right after winning the French Junior Open. It was really tough because first of all it was really expensive to stay there for almost 3 months, and there were a lot of problems that I faced because of the lockdown. I got to know about the flight in the first week of May when the Indian High Commission in London contacted me and offered me a ticket. The flight from London to Mumbai that I travelled on was a jam-packed flight with almost 340 passengers. Even though it was a jam-packed flight, the crew of Air India maintained the norms of social distancing very well. All that effort that Air India made was in tatters after the Goan, 15 Goans on that flight got off the airport and boarded a Kadamba bus. We were told by the driver that almost 7 more Goans who are stuck in Bombay and who have finished their quarantine period in Bombay are going to board the same bus back to Goa along with us. Our COVID test hadn't been done, only our temperatures were checked, and we had boarded the bus. We were still mixed up with domestic passengers who had been in Bombay already and had come from a different route but were still in Bombay, and they hadn't done their test either. And some of them had already done their quarantine period in Bombay, but they were some of them tested negative, and they were still boarded the bus along with us to Goa. So they were a threat to us and we were a threat to them, which was really dangerous, and it was a big risk. And the worst part was that the bus was packed. Instead of just having 15 to 16 people in a bus which maintains the norms of social distancing, there were exactly 23 people where